Today we're test driving the all-new Ford C-Max, and this one is the Energy model, so it's a plug-in hybrid, and we're going to do a fuel economy test to see how well it performs. So as you can see right now, I have a full tank of gas, and on this full tank, my fuel range is estimated to be around 688 kilometers before I run completely out of gas. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to reset my trip meter. So as you can see, it says trip 1 over here. Let me just reset that. And now I've reset my trip meter so it reads 0. So let's do that with our other trip meter as well. So now both my trip meters read 0s. We're going to be doing a highway fuel economy test on this, so we'll be driving at speeds between 100 and 120, just to give you an idea of the numbers that we achieve and how we achieve that number. And after that, we will head to the gas pump to see how much it costs us to fill up. So let's get this test started and have some numbers for you shortly. So we just finished our highway test, and in our highway test we drove a total of 236 kilometers. Just to give you an idea of the fuel economy we achieved, as you can see it says 7.6 liters per 100 kilometers below that. Let me just convert that for you for those who read in miles. It'll now read 30.7 miles per gallon, and that's a total of 146.7 miles of driving. So what we'll do now is we will fill it up at this pump right here. Just to give you an idea, the fuel tank capacity in the C-Max is a total of 53 liters. So what we'll be doing is we'll be filling up the amount of fuel that we've used and get an idea of our actual fuel range as well as the actual cost of driving the distance that we did. So stay tuned. So as you can see, it cost us $24.06 to fill up 22 liters of gas at a fuel cost of 108.6 cents per liter. So as you just saw, we filled up 22 liters of gas and we spent $24 on that. So what we'll do now is we'll calculate our kilometers per liter numbers. So let's take the 236 kilometers that we've driven and divide that by 22 liters, which is what we filled up. So 236 divided by 22 gives us 10.7 kilometers per liter. So for every liter you can expect to drive around 10.7 kilometers. So knowing we can drive 10.7 kilometers for every liter of gas, we will times that number by our total fuel tank capacity. So 10.7 times 53 gives us a total of 567 kilometers. So based on my highway driving, I can expect around 567 kilometers of driving as my actual fuel range. What we'll do now is we'll calculate our cost per kilometer. So 236 kilometers divided by $24 that we spent gives us 9.8. So essentially it costs us 9.8 cents to drive every kilometer in this car.